Hi, hello. I want to welcome you in name of FT company. My name is Andreas Krejci and I'm the product manager. What I'm gonna to show you today is the SEATRACE 3000. It's a fishing light, rechargeable, and yes, here you can see the parts. What are the different parts here? This is a Bluetooth module. This is the recharging station. This is a magnet. And here you can see the fish lights. We have 3 different kinds of fish lights. One version is the SEATRACE 3000 only with white light. The second version is the SEATRACE 3000 Advanced. This means you can change here the color of the light. So it's not only white, you can change the color. And the most advanced one is the SEATRACE 3000 Pro. There you have also sound inside. These are these versions of the fish lights. Okay, you can see here now the recharging of the lights. So red means they are recharging, and I'll put now one fully loaded inside here. Green, you will see here the green light, it means it's already recharged. So you can put it out and throw it into the crab pots or whatever you like. To set the light back to manufacturer settings, you need to do following. Just put inside the light into the charger, take the magnet, and there is a special position here where you can switch the light to manufacturer settings. You see the red light is going out and it returns on, and you can check it. If you turn on the light, it should be white light. So now you have the manufacturer settings, the original manufacturer settings. Okay. One important thing is the programming. So the white light you cannot program, but the other lights, so the SEATRACE 3000 Pro and Advanced versions, you can program with a software. This means you take one of the lights, switch it on. You know the special position, don't forget. You just switch it on. Now the orb is in a special mode for the next 5 minutes. This means you can program it. What you need for it is, of course, the Bluetooth box, what we have here, and our SEATRACE software. I'll just open it and you will see it's very easy to use. So what you can do here is on the left side you can set one of the one LED, the LED 1, to the special color. On the second side here you can set the second LED. You can switch on the UV LED. I show you some, for example. What we have to do first is you need to push the configuration button. Green means here it's transferring the configuration to the light. Now you can see nothing because I have black light inside here. So white means I can set it to white, red, yellow, cyan, blue, whatever you like. You can just do it with these bars here. Here the color is shown. You can set the second light to green, red, whatever you like. You can say, okay, copy my second LED to the first one. So I just copied it. You can switch on the UV light. Then what you have also here, we can switch on some blinking. You can change the speed of the blinking with a bar here. What you also can do, you can select some sound files and you can load and save configurations. If I just stop transferring the configuration, I can do something else here. So now it's not transmitting I will just stop the blinking here, for example, and then start the configuration. You see it's going directly to the orb. In the software here, you can also see on the right upper button the COM port, which is used for the box, for the Bluetooth box. Now I will show you the load of a configuration. For example, you can load, we have pre-configured some things, for example, red grouper, red snapper, or snow crabs, or spin lobster sound, or whatever. We have some predefined configurations what you can use already for your fishing, but you can do whatever you like. You can also say, for example, for my fish, the red one is working and the blue one is working, and I want to have a special sound. I will push select sound. I will say, okay, the spinny lobster sound is very, very important for me. And you can start to send the sound here to the orb. I'll just push it now. I will send the sound now to the orb. You can see here the bar when it's sending. It takes a while. What do you have also here? You can delete the sound. You can switch on the sound on and off. And you can also do, if we are doing a software update, for the orb, we can do a software update. You can push it here and we can do a software update. Okay, now it's finished, and the mechanism is like that. You can also play the sound to the orbs, so to the lights, multiple. So this means if you switch on 50 orbs of the lights, then all the 50 are updated at once. So also the sound is played there. So I will switch on the sound now. You can hear the sound now. And what is also here important, you can make a pause between sounds. This means you can say, okay, now I want to have a pause of 2 seconds between the sounds. Now it's played. Stop. Played. Stop. So this is mainly the reason why we have it here inside. To increase the runtime, because the sound needs a lot of battery. Okay, now I want to show you, I will stop the sound, because now the sound is within the orbs, so within the lights. I will switch off the sound now, and we will do following. I will switch on a few lights. So I will switch on multiple lights, so you can see what's done. So now the configuration you can see is already done to all the lights. I can switch all of them to green, for example, or also the other one to green, totally green, as an example. And please don't forget, only the 5 first minutes the configuration is transferred. Afterwards, you can see it here. This is already switched on more than 5 minutes, so the configuration is not transferred anymore. Okay, so be aware of that. Okay, but the other ones I can show you, I can switch them to purple, at least one light. I will switch on the UV light. I will start to blink all of them, and I will switch on the sound. And I can switch off the sound. So, this is it from my side. I hope you have a lot of fun with the lights and nice fishing.